Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm just telling about the Mphasis onboarding. Good news, there was a good news about the candidate. Many candidates have received the information regarding the yesterday, but I am telling about the proper information with why the company is not sending the batches joining in between 10 June to 20 June or something like that. In this month only the one boarding possible, or why not there was a 2 to 3 in the last 2 months. There was an April, many candidates have batches in 2 to 3 batches got the onboarding in a Pune and a Bangalore location. In a May there was a 2 batch who got the onboarding, and this month only the one onboarding is possible or something like that. More will be the possible. So about that there was a information. So guys, I'm just telling about the full proof video. Many candidates have received the mail yesterday about the 22 June onboarding. So guys, I got the information about the yesterday only, but I have not made the video like that. Only that key having the information like how many candidates have received this type of mail in a just only the 10 or 20 candidate had received. About the information, there was a greeting for Mphasis campus hiring team. Congratulations, we are initiating your onboarding to Mphasis. Your date of joining will be 22nd June 2023. Please note all the semester mark sheet, degree certificate, PAN card, all this that I have told you in a previous video, also in every video that I have told you about the document verification, something like that. So guys, this is the main important question put up in your mind about that. After that 29th of May there was a no onboarding, no batches, no email get the candidate had received the email regarding the about the 10th June or something like that. After the 22 days of gap, there was only the one batch who received the 22nd of June onboarding possible. So guys, the company is not going to taking the batches as a seriously, because most of the candidates have just waiting for the opportunity, because it's wait for the more than 8 to 9 months or something, more than 1 year also. So guys, this is not a good, because only the one batch got the onboarding in this month only. If the company is doing the good, having the good business requirement or something like that, they will get the excuses like only the having a business requirement, they will batches in having the business requirement, something like that. So many candidates have received the yesterday that about the 22nd June this type of mail also many candidates have received. So guys, I'm just telling about that. If you get any document verification or something like that, so guys, please don't delay your onboarding as soon as possible. There was only the limited chance for the every candidate, because the condition is situation is very critically day by day, because after the April there was only in April there was a 4 to 5 batches joining. After the April there was a May only the 2-3 joined batches, and in June there was only the one batch getting the information about the 22nd of June, and there is no another information after the 22nd June there will be a possible about the onboarding or not. So guys, I hope if you get another opportunity, prepare your I think so prepare yourself, because another job opportunity is also like that. Having the many startup company has going to taking the initiative of the startup having job opportunity. So please guys, improve your skills or something like that, coding or having the communication skills, or like that coding or joining anything something skill. So guys, because the many company have just taking the candidate who having the fresher having the good skills or something like that. So guys, please, I'm just requesting you guys, don't wait for the opportunities. Please prepare yourself for the other opportunities also, because this time the situation is going to be critical, because Infosys also taking the July, August, September, they have been giving the extended date of joining. Many company have giving the extended date of joining, but you will get if you get the offer letter, then you can 100% the company have given the surety that they will onboard in some times of 2023 only. So guys, about the 2023 batch candidate who have the information about that they will be onboarded between the June 2022 to July 2020. Sorry, June 2023 to July 2024. So the batch will be the getting the information after the November December about the 2023 batch. There will be the first priority given by the 2022 batch candidate who have received the offer letter in the last month. 2021 candidate who received the offer letter, or they have a letter of intent in hand. Please guys, don't about the situation that your LOE will be expired or something like that. The LOE will be expiring. All of the candidate who are just waiting for the opportunity, waiting for the onboarding, because many candidates have just waiting for the onboarding in the last 1 year. So guys, don't worry about the LOI expiring. I'm just telling about this. Please prepare yourself and apply for the more opportunities also. There was a many companies going to be taking the exam also in the upcoming months. So guys, I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.